Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me. They said, I'm putting together a DIY virtual spa package with a hostess kit that includes web copy, a video where I describe how to use all the products, my own product line, a guided meditation recording, I paid for the script, and a couple of experimental exercises. I'm considering adding a couple of bonuses like a Spotify playlist I created, not my own music, and a poem I found on the internet. I would cite the author. I'm wondering about the legalities of copyright infringement. All right, good question. So a couple of things raise some flags for me. So the first one has to do with the meditation. You said you paid for the script. A lot of times people assume that when they pay for something that they automatically own the copyright in it and they can do whatever they want with it. And that's not always the case, depending on the totality of the circumstances, what contracts were involved. So you may want to clarify whether or not you own that and what you're allowed to do with that meditation, just to make sure that you're in the clear, so that you're not inadvertently violating somebody else's copyright. The other big thing that raises the red flag for me is the poem. So whoever owns the copyright in a work gets to decide how their work is copied, distributed, displayed, performed, and what derivative works can be made from it. So even though sounds like you're trying to do the right thing and cite the author, that's not enough, because by putting the poem in the kit, it sounds like what you're doing is making a copy and distributing it. So those are questions that you would want to take past the copyright owner first to get their permission to do so. Of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. This is merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.